100 years of global cooling has begun. What's up, Darts here, and I've been keeping my eye on this storm bomb. Okay, we'll look into that in a minute. In this 100 years global cooling now being told to us by experts and scientists, basically saying we're all going to freeze. Okay. So it was global warming, and now it's global cooling. Great. They love to flip it around, don't they, those lot? They love their binary. So yeah, that's your footage there, right? But why am I showing you Elon Musk's SpaceX launch from exactly a week ago? Okay, we're on the 7th of, well, as of the recording of this video, it is Sunday the 7th, I believe. Well, yes, I think it is the Sunday the 7th. So basically 1 week since Elon Musk's, basically what I think could be a weather modification experiment. Now, I can't verify that this hurricane, bomb, storm, whatever you want to call it, is directly connected to this, but this could be mockery of that, perhaps, or, but they're definitely, they definitely could be connected, but that's just a theory of mine. But they are being connected in the news, like this. Where are we? Oh, no. There we go. So this is the Express newspaper in England. SpaceX launch delayed for second time as US weather threatens Falcon 9 and Zuma. SpaceX has been forced to delay its anticipated Falcon 9 rocket launch for the second time this week as severe US weather makes conditions too dangerous. Yeah, basically Zuma is the news story where they were saying about how it's going to be basically a secret communications thing. They were being a bit vague, but it's going to send secret communications to a select secret group of people. The word secret was used quite a lot in the article, but more on that in another video. Oh, yep. Okay, so let's continue. Blah, blah. Its top secret Zuma payload was originally due to be sent into space on board the rocket Thursday evening. The launch was delayed to tonight, which was 2 days ago, between 8 p.m. and 10 p.m. Eastern Time. But SpaceX said takeoff from NASA Kennedy Space Center. Oh yeah, NASA Space Kennedy Center, huh? Sorry, NASA Kennedy Space Center, huh? Arrival to NASA, but yet working with NASA. Yeah, they're all on the same team. Bunch of Masons. SpaceX, which is run by Tesla. We don't need to know his full name. They give us his full name here for some reason. Does that equal some sort of gematria? A couple of my subscribers can go into that because I'm not going to. I've got way too many things to look at. Way too many things to look at then to go into the gematria calculator. But I find it interesting there that they put his full title and name there, which is, a bit odd to me. Just Elon Musk will do, or even just Musk. We know who you're talking about. Elon Musk tweeted, "Team at the Cape completed additional propellant loading tests today." Well, good for you. Extreme weather slowed operations, but Falcon 9 and the Zuma spacecraft are healthy and go for launch. Now targeting January 7th. Oh, today then. because that's the day today. Yep. I'm dyslexic. I'm not good with dates or reading. Okay. The United States is currently gripped by severe cold weather caused by snowstorm Grayson. The weather bomb cyclone known as Bombargus is sweeping across the east coast of the US, including New York, North Carolina, Georgia, Virginia, and Florida. We'll get used to it because you're in a 100-year global cooling period now, apparently. Yep. Measurable snow was recorded in Florida for the first time since 1989. The power has been lost as far south as northern Florida. Deep breaths, everybody. Philadelphia, I can't bother to keep reading these long names, declared a snow emergency overnight, meaning all parked cars must be moved off emergency routes for snowplows. I bet there are a couple of people that didn't bother to move. They just sort of stayed parked there. That would have been quite amusing. Yep. South Carolina, Georgia, Henry, Manchester. McMaster warned residents keep pets indoors after their dogs in New Hampshire were found frozen to death. Oh, that's not nice. Wish you'd freeze to death, cat, and stop meowing. That'd be good. That wasn't very nice either. He's been meowing and moaning for me to feed him, and he's already got food. So, what's the issue? So I'm just using their words there. I don't want him to freeze to death. I love my cat. Okay, shut up. I'll feed you in a minute. Aerospace engineers first aimed to have the rocket ready for mid-November before being delayed to analyse data from a previous mission. The previous mission would be this one. Analyse their data from the weather modification, basically. Is it working? Yes, it is. Look at Storm Bomb. I can't help but connect the two together, I'm afraid. It just seems very, you've got 1 week later, well, actually a few days, and then Storm started to develop, and now it's kind of gripping America with ridiculous temperatures, and now they're saying we're in a 100-year global cooling period. You know? It just seems all, maybe part of the agenda, I don't know. But, well, I don't know, it's annoying though. SpaceX will then have a quick turnaround ready for January 15th when it launches its new Falcon Heavy, larger rocket. It's even bigger than the one before, so yeah. 3 Falcon 9 boosters for the first time. 3 of them. So the official news story for this was that the boosters were coming off, so each streak should represent 1 booster. But how many boosters does this thing flipping have? Look. I'll keep going back to this over and over and over, because it's annoying the heck out of me. SpaceX will then have a quick turnaround ready for January 15 when it launches its new Falcon Heavy large rocket comprised of 3 Falcon 9 boosters for the first time. The rocket manufactured testing with more than 5... The heck was that? Excuse me. What are you doing, cat? Stop it. Naughty. Bad cat. Wow, annoying. Cat's really annoying me. The rocket manufacturer tested with more than 5 The rocket manufacturer teased with more than £5 million of thrust at liftoff, equal to the approximately 18 747 aircraft at full power. Falcon Heavy will be the most powerful operational rocket in the world by a factor of 2. The Falcon Heavy will blast off on its maiden voyage with Elon Musk's cherry red Tesla Roadster on board for a billion-year orbit around Mars. A billion-year orbit around Mars. Okay. Yep. Yeah. Okay. So this part ends here. But I'm going to carry on recording. And I'm going to upload the video in full and in 2 parts because people are moaning about videos being too long. And some people like longer videos. So there you go. I please everybody. Let's continue. So we had like a new story about Scotland as well. So Scotland getting some of the brunt from the bomb cyclone. A state of emergency was declared in New York after the Big Apple suffered rare bomb cyclone, and homeowners of Florida posted pictures on Facebook of the freezing temperatures. Long story short. So there you go. But that's not what this video is about. However, it is related to what will happen here next week. The cold weather in the US is forcing the jet stream south, dragging away the low pressure systems we would normally experience at this time of year. The knock-on effect is that to place Scotland on the cold side drawing down air from the north. This situation is likely to prevail until the end of the week, when the jet stream moves slowly north. Oh, I've just got over a horrible, horrible cold. I hate cold weather, I really do. But in the next part, in the next video, I'm going to be going into the 100-year cold. The scientists are predicting there's going to be a 100-year global cooling period. Anyway, let's continue. There was a potential for some severe overnight frosts, where towns and cities could get as low as -3°C. Wow. Shocking. It will be cooler there more than rural areas, where it could get down as low as -10°C. Even during the day, a temperature will struggle to get above freezing. The one bonus will be the bright sunny days we can expect from today onwards. There may be showers in the east and north. So for the west and south, you are the greater for a chance of outbreak and sunshine. Sun will break out across the whole of the country tomorrow. Wow, it'll be freezing cold. Great. So Scotland set for freezing temperatures, and the rest of the UK is going to be pretty flipping cold as well. Great. I hate the cold weather. Yep. Okay, well, what do you think about that? Like, comment, subscribe. And now I'm continuing on to the next video. Shock warning. Bomb cyclone is the beginning of a 100-year global cooling period. The horrendous cold snap currently ravaging the east coast of the US could be the beginning of a century-long global cooling period, according to experts. Wow.